Wait. Crypto and stocks are going to be crashing by July 25th? Well, the Fed to stick to 75 BPS hike in July, 40% chance of recession, okay? Now, as you guys know, inflation was 9.1% in June. I do think the numbers for August will be better. However, I do expect a massive sell-off to happen July 25th, because the Fed meeting is July 26th and 27th, and they're definitely gonna, you know, increase the interest rate again. A 75 BPS hike was the first of that size since 1994, and then they'll have another one. And what does this mean? Well, millionaires are made in a bear market, right? So a smart person, and I'm not saying you're dumb, or a smart organization, you're going to be able to, buy some coins for the LOW, okay? So what does this mean? Well, this means that you can, set some buy orders for the low, okay? But my thing is, I'm just going to pay attention to what the market is. This is not financial advice. And maybe exit some of my positions before the 25th of July because of this meeting. What I expect to happen next week is going to make 2020 look like look like a speed bump, okay? Anyway, guys, it's your boy Jones. Expect a lot of volatility next month, and I'm out. Peace.